Hello, I am Miriam, co-founder and COO of Keto Chow, and today I just wanted to take you guys shopping with me. We're going camping this weekend for Memorial Day. Yay! It'll be so fun. We're going to Starvation Reservoir, and we love to cook while we're camping, and we don't just do your old sandwiches camping. First of all, we don't make bread, but we love to cook real food while we're camping. So I'm gonna take you into the store right now and show you what we grab. Keto doesn't have to be difficult. You can just get meat, green vegetables, a couple of different snacks if you want them, mostly for the kids. I don't usually eat a ton of snacks, but we have a good time, and I just wanna show you what we're gonna grab. I just got back from the grocery store. I laid everything out, look at it. I can get organized in my brain, make sure I'm not forgetting anything. I did already make a note that I forgot butter and what was the other thing? I can't remember. Let me get my own paper. Butter and dill relish. I forgot butter and dill relish. So I'm gonna have to go to the store and get that. We always get water bottles. We actually have this really big water container we fill up with ice, which is also something I forgot. Let me write that down. We fill up the water container with ice and then water, and then bring that, and then we also bring water bottles. We bring our electrolytes, we bring fasting drops, magnesium, and make sure that everybody has enough water. Next thing, all of these things I have right here are specifically for like sides for lunch and like snacking. So cucumbers, these cute pickles, I've never seen them before, they're so cute. So I'm gonna try those, I'm sure the kids will love those. Berries, my kids specifically like the tomatoes that have the different colors, they like those ones. And then peppers. For breakfast, we'll have sausage and bacon and eggs. I didn't get bacon. I think I already have some bacon, so I'm good. Every day for breakfast, we always make fried eggs. So even if we do something else, we're gonna have fried eggs with it. So we always make sure we have lots of eggs. And then one day we're gonna do pancakes. We got some Nush Pancakes for that day. And then we also are going to make drop biscuits and sausage gravy. So I got the heavy cream for the sausage gravy. I've got the sausage already in the freezer. I'll pull that out. And then I've got almond flour because I needed some more of that. Something we do for lunch, most of the time we'll take lettuce and lunch meat and cheeses and just make lettuce wraps pretty much every meal. Sometimes we'll fast through lunch, but I need to have something for the kids because I don't want the kids to go hungry. And something else that I grabbed this time, actually, I don't know if you guys noticed, when I was at the store, I picked up the shelled pistachios, and I'm like, they're wonderful, but there's something that's really easy to abuse. So I put that away, and I grabbed this one that is individually wrapped. It's more expensive, but they're individually wrapped, and they're in the shell, so it'll take longer to eat. And then I'm going to be more disciplined because I can only have one package. I specifically got this for Ruth because she really likes pistachios. So I maybe won't even eat them, but if I do, I will have a limit because I'm not gonna just have handfuls out of the bag. So that's a good keto tip. It's worth it to me to have a more expensive option if it's individually wrapped, or to take and put them into individual containers. And then for dinner, we are going to have steaks. I don't think I'll bring all the steaks that I bought. This one's a little bit more marbled. This one's smaller. It's nice to get some small steaks sometimes because the kids don't always need a big steak. And then we'll have just the vegetables, asparagus one night, broccoli one night, and then Brussels one night. And then another dinner is going to be hamburgers. I got these because they had a sale price, but this is the ones we usually get, which they're kind of expensive, but they're the bacon and the cheddar, and we just love having them on hand. So I did grab another one of these. I'm probably not going to take it, but I did grab it. And we really like to have extra hamburgers because if we end up with some extra hamburgers. We throw them in the fridge, in the trailer, and if the kids get snacking, they don't want any of the snacks we have, they can have a meat cookie, right? Just gnaw on a hamburger and then they're satisfied. Something that's great about camping and just buying very specific things is you're not gonna go sneak over to your freezer or your snacks and get something that's non-keto or that's gonna derail you. So we will always really try to plan to get really good nutrient-dense foods when we're camping, and then we just feel great, so love it.